Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Dodge Ram 1500 Bighorn. This pickup truck comes in a black exterior. We have a black interior. Steering wheel, driver's seat controls, driver door controls, rear seats, quick peek up here at the front, and coming around to the rear, we've got the blackout style badging here. Lots of room back here. And let's go ahead and hop inside next. Well, we have a push button ignition. Mileage on this vehicle currently at 12,168. We've got our touchscreen display here, currently showing climate controls. We do have heated seats, heated steering wheel. Very nice here in Minnesota. Radio and backup camera. And then you've also got some various traction modes and our shifter here. Cup holder. Center console storage. If you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle or even scheduling a test drive, just check out our website, feldmannimports.com.